Rua do Asilo sobre Travessa dos Lotus nem faham. Walking down Rua do Asilo, slices of Macau. Oh, asylum street. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking down Rua do Asilo, streets of Macau. Just walking down the streets of Macau, the lovely, lovely streets of Macau. Just walking around in old Macau, walking down Travessa dos Lotus, not too far from the border. Ooh, Travessa dos Lotus, walking down Travessa dos Lotus.
Okay, this street right here is called Rua do Asilo. We're gonna walk down it in a moment. So it's kind of a quiet street, and it's gonna go towards Chiang border point, which is gonna be all the way down that way. But we're kind of in this Concordia area, and we'll just kind of put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. But it's gonna start here, and this is Travessa do Norte de Patane. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're gonna be walking down that way. Let me just kind of walk down this way. You got the sunset directly that way, so you can kind of see there's like a little park right in there. So this little harbor is right on the other side of this. So we're kind of walking on a parallel street. So we're gonna walk down and capture our street. And this is called Rua do Asilo. I think we can walk down the middle of the street. I just want to walk down here because there's cars on both sides. This is a really quiet street. I filmed this a while back. This one's called Pedrinhas. And it's also getting vehicle here. But this little Pedrinhas has some nice color to it. And I guess this is like the Concordia Special Education School. So I don't know if Asilo is on that one or Pedrinhas. It's kind of a nice building right there. A lot of these buildings look kind of new. Okay, so a little Asilo. And what I'm basically doing is I'm just trying to document all the different streets in Macau, because they'll change in time, and we're alive, and I can capture it with this technology that people are using in 2026. I think the technology will change so much. Maybe it's with AI, maybe they can recreate any time period soon, or way in the future. I don't know, who knows. Oh, there's even a window right there. So our Asilo just keeps on going down. There's a little garage. We'll just capture whatever's here. Who knows, like this, you just don't know. Everything can change quite a bit in the future, so. Who do I see though? You see it says emergency shelter. So I guess that whole building right here, this whole thing says emergency shelter. So I think when they have the typhoons, they might capture, they might, you can see a little thing right there. Let me just go over there a little bit. So that's our building. I guess I can't, because I can't go across here. We're gonna keep on walking down that way. So I guess we're gonna have to walk down here, and then go down that way. Okay, let's do it. And then this particular street kind of moves towards the border direction. Okay. So we're gonna meander this street, go across here. I feel like I might have captured Asilo before. There was another time where I was going to Zhuhai quite a bit, and this is a border point to go there. There's a metal gym and a German pool. So I remember filming this exact spot where I'm walking right now. So if I can find it, I'll attach it at the end of the last time I was here. But yeah, that's all part of Asilo down that way. Okay, and then it changes to Lotus. So this is actually Lotus Street. So this is Travessa dos Lotus, and I'm gonna walk down it anyways. And then our Asilo is basically this little street right there. So I did film this Lotus Street before, and if I remember, I'll attach it. Okay. So yeah, this Lotus opens up into this little courtyard area. I think that might be a school right there. And we're going to show you where the border is at as well. Okay. The border of Qingmao is right there. So right on the other side of this building. So yeah, I did another video where I filmed this whole thing. It's labeled Lotus, so I don't think I will add it to the end because it's not the same street, but usually I do add the same street. But anyways, our target street connects directly into Travessa dos Lotus, and then this one is the east street of Villa Verde, Leste. And so we got to see a little bit of Asilo. Okay. And our Asilo street was directly down that way. We're gonna go over to the border in a moment. So it was directly down that way, all the way down that way. And then the border gate is right here. So that's Qingmao border gate. And over there, it's kind of a little bit of a waterfront down in that direction where we started. St. Teresa School. And we'll end it right there.